Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S95 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go to the notification bar, and here on the left upper corner you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on the icon to turn on your Wi-Fi and press for a while to go to the settings. We get the second way just by going to the settings. Here just tap on the settings icon, and here you will see the network and internet. Tap here, and as can you see, Wi-Fi is turned off now. To turn it on, just tap here on the switcher and tap here also, and you will see here all the available networks. So for example, I will go in with this one, and now just tap here the password. Also, you can see the password by tapping here on the checkbox, and just now tap to connect. So as can you see, our device has successfully connected to this network, and if you want to turn it off, just tap here on the switcher again. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.